Hello. So I'm going to show in this video how to get around when you don't have Microsoft Office. You cannot afford to buy it or get a free online, whatever the reason it is. So there is a second option that's quite good. It doesn't have as many features as Microsoft Office, but it does the job. It's very good. So I'm going to download here Libre Office. Here is the I'm going to post here the link and be patient. There you go. So this is the link to the LibreOffice. All right. So what that does, it downloads download LibreOffice. So I'm gonna get the free version. So I'm gonna download. I have Windows 64. So you have for Mac, Linux, and Windows. I'm gonna download this latest version. I'm going to click save there. So here's downloaded my software. And what the LibreOffice really has is, if you go back here, you have a text editor, you had a database, an Excel sheet, and a presentation. So pretty much what you will find in Microsoft Office, but this is free. So I'm installing this, installing. So next, uh, typical, I don't want to do custom, create a shortcut for the desktop, and there you go. Let's say yes. So pretty much I am installing this in my computer because I need to format and I need to somewhere one in some documents. However, the license that I have for Microsoft is not working in this computer. I had to buy a new one. It doesn't seem very, buying the same thing for three different computers. It is a lot of money. I don't know of you, but and also I don't want to use the cloud one. I just want to have it in my own system that if I don't have internet, I have something to work with. So for the moment, we're gonna go and install this software and see what can we use instead of Microsoft Office. So take a few minutes, please. If otherwise, just forward the video and here's finished. So I'm gonna go here to, so I'm gonna open first. Do I have a shortcut here in the desktop? Here it is. So here is my shortcut, LibreOffice. I'm just going to open it. Once I open the software here, I have here is my window, my start window, and here I have a few options. So I have write a document, calculation spread, impression presentation, drawing, math, and database. So the writer document is just like Microsoft Word. The calc spreadsheet is just like Excel. Impression presentation is just like PowerPoint. The drawing is like Visio to do graphics and presentation modeling, math formula for math, and base database for database. So pretty much you can do anything that you can do with the regular products for Microsoft with LibreOffice. So I'm just going to go and open this one and give you some tips. Great. Okay. So here I'm just going to close this and this will be my first page. So my first page. And just like Microsoft, it has here edit. You can edit, view, insert, format. So format text and everything. So here I want to You have to be familiar with this. I haven't used it lately, so you can actually change the font. You can make center. You can insert. You have styles here and so forth. So you can just open this and play around a little bit. I'm going to go and show you how to use this in detail in other videos. Thank you.